the little pine tree kitten has returned. Okay, just a disclaimer, I'm really not even going to try doing some of the voices on here because I seriously don't have the proper voice and I don't want to have a cringe thing or try to even, whatever. Anonymous asked, how did you explain this to your uncle? It's been slow lately. Too slow. We need a new gimmick. Uncle Stan! What is it, sweetie? Oh, did you get a new pet? What happened to the pig? Did someone finally eat it after I punched that pterodactyl for it too? He's not a new pet! He's Dipper! Also, Waddles is fine. Zep. Now, Mabel. Naming a dumb animal after your brother is not a very nice thing to do. However, it is hilarious. I root. Yes, we did try, but yeah, he didn't believe us. Red Wolf's pup asked, how do you keep your hat on? Also, is your birthmark still there? Well, mostly gravity. Mabel made and fit it for me, but I have to keep my ears down or it slips off. As for the birthmark, well, to tell the truth, I'm not really sure. It depends how many traits I kept. I'm going to say yes, but the only way to really know is to shave off my fur, which you are not Mabel, put the shaver away. Aw, I want to really see. No. Reality Unhinged and stuff asked, does Mabel cuddle with you? And if so, how often? Also, do you share a bed now since you're a cat? I try to stay in my own bed. What the? Huh? The operative word being try. And as for that first part, is that even a question? I don't know. It seems like a feasible question to me, Dipper. Mr. Schmutt, I don't know, asked, what about typing? Like Waddles did after eating that smartness thing you made. Again, I literally have no idea what you're talking about, but yeah, I can type. We tried to get Stan to give me a laptop so I could communicate, but he just dug out this old talking type toy and said it was good enough. Seriously? Alright, all these questions are asking you how well do you get along with Waddles now that you're a kitten. We get along as well as Waddles gets along with anyone who is a Mabel, with friendly apathy. I still can't understand him, so I don't know if he knows I'm Dipper or not. He tried to eat me once when he first saw me as a cat, so I'm guessing he doesn't know I'm Dipper. This is not how I'd imagine I'd die. Thankfully, Mabel got to stop, but I had to clear myself off after that. That was very unpleasant. Anonymous asked, so, as a cat, do you dare live out the cliche by playing with a ball of yarn? Definitely not. Cats do it because they're mindlessly driven by their instincts, while I have my mental faculties into... Come here, you... Ha! Gotcha! Dang it. Anonymous asked, what does Wendy think of your new form? After that haunted convenience store biz, this is no big deal. I'll take adorable fluffy kitten over evil old person ghost any day. I mean, sure, it sucks I can't talk to one of my best bros anymore, but it's only temporary. R- right?